It's time for What Stopped the Block this week.
Flush with cash from last week's win and fresh from their breakaway, Mitch and Mark have returned.
When we got back, went upstairs to see how the terrace was going. The guys there, I think, were well in front, as they always are, well in front of the other houses.
OK, cool. I'll trust you.
Happy that their building team has everything under control, Mitch heads straight back out to buy some styling items, while Mark takes a moment to look over the budget.
Mitch was out and I was going through looking at invoices that had come in, but as I looked through the budget, we'd had a couple of bills that came in that were a lot larger than the estimate that we had and that we'd discussed.
We're talking a lot.
A couple of big bills.
Couple of big bills that we weren't expecting.
So big, in fact, that the team that has won the most room reveals has been pushed into the red.
So we're $2 grand in the red, if we can pull back here. But that doesn't include you. I think I need to have a chat.
There's Mitchy.
Don't spend any money, Mitch.
How bad is it?
It's pretty bad, we think.
Yeah,
We're just going through it.
Yeah.
OK, great.
Only use sponsor stuff right at the moment.
Oh, that's all I'm doing, but we've just spent $1,200 with Graphico.
Can't. He's doing them until no.
Do we?
Yeah, yeah.
Nothing in the tin tank.
How bad does Muck think it is?
It's all gone.
Yeah,
Because we've
it's
had
all gone.
big plumbing bills and big power bills.
All gone? Including what's coming?
No.
It's like
The
literally
$9 grand's gone. Everything's gone.
Everything last week has chewed up. All money's in the bank.
And what about what money is coming?
That's it. No, this is based on everything.
This
that
is
we've
based
got.
on everything.
No more.
Everything. That's it.
Sorry?
This is based on everything.
We've got no money to pay trades this week.
Correct. Yes.
So much.
Sure.
So we can't pay trades this week. So we've got to let everyone go.
Yeah.
We're out of money.
Yeah. Oh, we shut down now. Oh, it's gutting because, you know, there's a whole lot of things to think about. What you did or didn't do, what did you miss, how are we going to proceed? I need to go and talk to Jason and Steve and the guys up on the terrace to go, you need to stop because I don't want them going ahead if I can't pay them because it's not right.
We have a little problem, Simo.
Yes, Simo, we've got an issue.
Wish you had called me. Well, I think you should have spoken to me first because we're the team here.
We've got some big issues, Simo.
What's the issue?
We had a couple of big bills come in and we're basically...
No money. Not even for this week.
Yep. When we went through and did our estimates on rooms, there's probably $16,000 that's come in that we didn't expect. We're trying to see if some people could help us out with some of those bills, see if there's some way they might go back and
Trying to
have
get
another
Dan to have a look at his bill.
maybe
Wilson's
adjust
knocked
some stuff
1,000
down.
off his.
Because we've always been happy to pay the going rate. We haven't asked for discount. And maybe that's our mistake. We never went in early and went, we need to lower rates because we figured your value is worth that. But those couple of bills that came in bigger, and so we can't have you working if I can't pay you. Yeah. So that's kind of where we're at the moment. I felt embarrassed by that I didn't have a handle on it the way that I thought I had a handle on it. I'm not happy. I'm not proud of myself.
No, it's not
about
it.
It's not.
It's certainly not your fault, mate. I can tell you right now.
That didn't feel good, and it's not easy to have that conversation, but you have to. You have to have those conversations.
Are you happy, Mark, if we keep the boys working at the moment, just to do this?
Can we get what we can just done today to see what I see what we
that's
can
what
do
I'm saying.
about adjusting some
I think we
other
just
things?
try and smash these tiles out as much as we can.
Let's just get through this afternoon.
Yep, do as much as you can up
Again,
here.
we'll see what we can. But
And then we'll
anything
reassess at the end of the day.
that Mitch and I don't do anything. We just need to be calm and, solve it. And if you can't solve it, then you just make the responsible decision and say, well, that's what we'll have.
So while Mark does his darndest to put on a brave face,
I've got people with cameras on me waiting to have the full drama of how dreadful, and it's like, I'm not going to break down about it. We're just going to find a way to get through it. We're so close.
Across town,
Okay, bye.
Mitch is still trying to digest the news.
Hello, how are you, darling?
He sounds so sick, he's so relaxed.
Yeah.
I was walking down the staircase and I heard someone coming through the lift and it was Mitch. And he seemed a little bit down.
How's your budget going?
Oh, here?
No, in money.
Oh, mate, I've won the least on the block. How do you think it's going?
So you want to say?
I've won the least on the block. How's it going for us?
I don't think we've got any money left.
Hey?
I don't think we have any money left. After
You don't have any money left?
No,
How do you not have any money left?
we have no money left. That's simple.
What? I thought, oh, here's Mitch, you know, he's over-exaggerating again.
No money left.
How do you not have any money left? You've just won $10,000 again and you've won another 10 and another 10. Like, you've won so much more money. He goes, yeah, but we've spent all the money and we're in negative. How on earth have you spent it all overnight?
Had a lot of trades here last week. I kept saying there's a lot of trades here, there's a lot of trades here, a lot of trades here.
Yeah, there was a lot of
Did you negotiate with the trades? Did you negotiate with the trades? Did you negotiate with the trades? No, I don't want to because they're doing such good work. Well, hallelujah. I can't understand it, but anyway, Mark's money is the budget, not me, so.
I honestly did not think much of it because I didn't actually realise what he was telling me. I'll leave you to it. I've got to go to Beacon. Bye.
Buck up, little fella. We can do this.
Meanwhile, back at the block, the man who has been with them since the beginning, Jason, just needs to talk it out.
I've just been told that this is our last day, we're gone. We've got no money. So now
And out.
we've got no money, they're done. Completely done. Can't even pay bills.
With anyone who'll listen.
We'll finish up, we're just squaring off here, I'll finish this
You're
wall.
lying, aren't you?
No, swear to God.
They're not enough for
Sorry, my kids. They've won 25 grand in the last week and a half. It's gone, mate. Devastated. They've just run out of money. It's 36 grand just in those 3 bills. They thought it was probably going to be about 20.
Gonna miss you, man.
I know, mate, I know, eh?
And of course, news this big was always going to spread like wildfire.
Are you going as well?
Apparently.
Why, where are you going?
Well, we're out too.
Why?
Out of budget.
Steve, one of the boys builders, said to me, oh, we'll be on our way out too. And I kind of just laughed and rolled my eyes. I'm like, yeah. And he's like, no, seriously, we're going after today.
Have you heard the rumours about House 1?
My builders mentioned that there was lots of crew over there and that they've run out of money and their boys are going home. We don't really know what's going on in any of the other 4 houses.
No.
You have to guess. The boys seem to be going along really well and all of a sudden, boom, their builders have to go.
Well, apparently, they've got no more money left.
That's what I heard.
And they're sending everyone home after today.
Within 10 minutes, yeah, it was sort of like Chinese whispers. Yeah, there's a lot of talk around.
Didn't they just win like 20 grand? Yeah, they've won 30-something grand in the past, couple of weeks. They've got a fair bit of money up their sleeve.
I've got 2 savvy savers.
2 savvy savers.
Each.
Yep, they've got a McCafe Brighten Your Day. They've gotten a fair bit of money. So I just went,
I think it'd be a mix of people maybe surprised, shocked, and
Excited.
and happy.
Yeah.
It's about time they had a taste of what poor felt like. Welcome. Welcome to the peasant side.
To the real world.
No, you shut up. You've still got money. You can't say anything.
They've won $55,000. We've won $23,000. Big difference. Huge difference. Oh, mate, I'm like raining money. Pity it's not raining Matthews, but it's raining money.
You were going to go somewhere else.
Yeah, totally was.
You were.
Mark is up on his terrace getting a quick lesson on how to lay their tiles, a job that he and Mitch will have to do on their own.
Just drop that into place, into that point. Hard against that one. I can do it.
This will be the first time that the boys will have to work without their builder's backup. Mark can't believe what's happened, so he's now questioning how everyone else is doing it, starting with his neighbours, Tess and Luke.
I'm assuming you're getting 50 an hour. What are you getting?
Excuse me?
You're not getting 50 an hour because you're both looking a bit weird. 4 weeks ago, I was told they would not make it, that they would present a house with plaster, and they clearly haven't. They've continued to be able to present with electrical, and they've got 2 trades there, Matt and Ryan, and they've been there for the last couple of weeks. So somehow something has been provided to assist them. If you can give me any ideas on how you got to come back 4 times, I'd be really happy. Don't know where it's coming from.
To be questioned how we're doing it, it's a bit like, well, not very easily, because you see you're finished almost 2 days before us every week. So you can see that we are still going till tools down on a Sunday.
It's kind of why we finish sort of last every week. Like, it's literally been me and Luke and Tess for the last couple of weeks. Yeah. And, like, with all due respect, you know, you guys have had 4 or 5 people, which is great, but it's a massive strain on us, but that's why we've finished last. So we get slammed by Keith and Dan and everyone saying you're slow, which is fair enough, but it's been us. Like, that's it.
Why haven't they been sent home? We've sent our builders home and our plasterers home because we've had no money, not much money, yet those boys are still in there, and no one's doing anything. Who's going to go in there? Where's Scotty Cam when you need him? These boys just get away with
The gravity of the boys' financial situation is finally hitting home for Mitch.
So that means we can't finish the house, and we're out big time. Forget winning the auction, we might not get to the auction at this point. There's no point in getting down about it because down will slow us down, Mark. Mark, we have got no time to wallow in sadness.
My time.
Well, it doesn't matter who up. Yeah. It doesn't matter we're up, so we just got to get it right.
And that's my responsibility.
Whatever, Mark, it doesn't matter whose responsibility. We are where we are, we're a team, so we are where we are. It's difficult seeing the boys home, but I think we're best not to focus on that right now because we've got too much to do. If we focus on how sad it is to send the boys home...
I don't think we're focusing on that, because I made that...
But I'm just saying if we do focus on it, it's not going to help us or them.
No, it won't.
See you, buddy.
Okay, buddy. You too, bud. I'll clear the road and I'll pick up the tools.
Yeah, cool.
See you, Marky.
Thank you. It's not going to help by being down, so just be numb and don't think about it and get done what you can get done will put us in a better position than wallowing in pity, because we got ourselves here, so we don't deserve to give ourselves pity. We just need to pick our up and make it happen.
Let's go up and get the things delayed.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, brother.
Hey, man. It's hard because we're all really vocal about how we're all struggling with money, and it's not as if they didn't hear it, I don't think.
We've got some money to hire. You just want to come over.
Of course they heard it. They were riding the wave that they were very good, I think, personally, and they didn't realise when to stop.
The inside of that house is finished. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's only the outside stuff's got to. So, you know, I mean, our bill was 11 grand for labour, just for carpentry. The Sparkies were, they're 17 grand or something for that's 16,000 for 2 weeks. So I think they're 7,500, 8,000 in the red.
I can't believe that.
So I don't know how they're going to pay that.
Is that without paying this week?
Yeah, is what it is.
To be quite honest, we didn't think you were charging them.
And with all the people in there.
Yeah.
I honestly have been blown away how many boys you've had in there, and I thought you weren't paying them.
You go back through all the books. Every single person I've had a sign-up charge.
Every time we're like, how the are they affording
we've never known
that
how
many people?
Who's monitoring what here then? Because if we're getting slammed for stuff, and that's just happened, it's just.
They caught up with us in the long run.
Oh, that sucks, boys.
Yeah, we're sorry.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
All right, boys. Thank you. Bye.
See you, boys. Legends.
See ya.
And then there were 2.
Tomorrow will be really interesting. They've definitely isolated themselves in the last month. Do we show the real people that we are and all chip in and help? Or do we do the same and let them do what they've been doing? They've played the game the whole time, but is it now the time that the game's been played on them?
Maybe.
It's a game, and there will be some people who will be happy to think we're out of the game, but we're not. we will spin game. The buyer's jury selected this house as their preferred house. Domain selected it as their cover house.
So we owe it to them to finish.
So we are not giving up.
So I'm going to spend all our money. We're going to celebrate tonight because we are no longer the poor ones.
We're going to go -10.
Yeah.
We're going to honestly get our Sparky in here, get both of our builders with all of their tradies, get them in here to finish this house off in the next week, done.
Yeah.
We might even get them to paint because the rules.
We want one tradesperson per blue spot.
We do. We do. And if we go
Yep.
-800 grand, then I guess that's not our problem.
So sorry.
Sorry.
So sorry.
I hope they don't have enough money to fix their tiles.
Danger zone, step back.
Oh my God, wouldn't that be funny?
That would be beautiful.
Wouldn't that be funny if they couldn't
That
change
would be
them?
the best.
Well, they can't do it themselves.